Hey there, viewers. Welcome to the Healthy Lifestyle Supports channel. We often forget to pay attention to the amount of fiber in our diet. It might seem irrelevant, but fiber is very important for our health. It keeps our digestive system on track and keeps us full longer, preventing blood sugar spikes. In today's video, we'll be talking about 16 impressive fiber foods we should eat every day. How much fiber does broccoli and beetroot give you? What about chickpeas and split peas? Are artichokes a good choice? Have you already added all these high-fiber impressive foods into your diet? Well, today we are going to talk about all this and more. Number 1. Broccoli. Green veggies are full of nutrients and fiber, especially cruciferous veggies. Like broccoli, it's one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. You get loads of vitamin C, antioxidants, folate and iron, a high amount of vitamins B and K, potassium and manganese as well. You get almost 3 grams of fiber from 1 cup of broccoli. That's a generous amount. The best way is to eat broccoli is to eat it raw, steamed or slightly sautéed. Heating for too long kills nutrients like vitamin C. My favorite way to eat broccoli is to sauté it a little with equal amounts of diced tofu. Sprinkle a little black salt and pepper, squeeze a little lemon on top and toss it. Now you have a delicious snack ready, and it's healthy too. How do you like to eat broccoli? Do you eat it on its own, or add it to your pasta noodles? Share your preferences with the best community in the comments below. Number 2. Artichoke may not be very popular, but that doesn't mean this exotic veggie is any less nutritious. It's one of the world's best sources of fiber. 1 French artichoke gives you 7 grams of fiber. But before you jump on this veggie, there's something else you need to know. A lot depends upon the way you eat them. How you prepare artichoke can increase or decrease their nutritional value. Steaming and boiling helps break down the cell walls. This means antioxidants present in artichokes are readily available to your body. So eat artichokes that are boiled or steamed. Nothing fried. Number 3. Brussels sprouts. Just like their distant cousin broccoli, Brussels sprouts are full of nutrients and fiber. This cruciferous veggie gives you loads of antioxidants, vitamin K, potassium and folate. 1 cup of raw Brussels sprouts gives you over 3 grams of fiber. You can eat them as you like, but how about trying Brussels sprouts with roasted bacon and apples? Drizzle a bit of balsamic vinegar on top, and you have one delicious meal. Number 4. Tomatoes. Juicy, ripe tomatoes. They make for delicious soups and sauces. But there's more to this antioxidant-rich veggie. You get lots of antioxidants, vitamin C and K, potassium and folate. You also get 2 grams of fiber from 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. So eat tomatoes in the form of soups, or add them raw to your salads. Whatever you do, make sure you're eating them in the cooked form. Roasting and cooking increases the level of powerful antioxidants found in tomatoes. Number 5. Kidney beans. These are one of the most popular legumes, and rightly so. They're bursting with nutrition and flavor. You can add these beans to so many dishes, whether it's a lentil soup or a curry. Cook them with rice. Risotto is a mouth-watering delicacy made from kidney beans. But have you thought about what makes them so popular? It's the generous amount of vitamins and minerals they offer you, like potassium, magnesium, vitamin B6 and iron. You also get lots of fiber. Just 1 cup of cooked kidney beans will give you 12 grams of dietary fiber. Pretty awesome, right? Number 6. Lentils. Lentils. In the mood for a fiber-rich soup? Well, you'll probably love lentil soup. It's all thanks to the awesome power of fiber, iron, magnesium, and B vitamins. They're also a wonderful source of plant-based protein, potassium and zinc. It would keep you full for longer because of the presence of fiber. 1 cup of cooked lentils will give you 13 grams of fiber. The best part is you get to choose from a wide variety of lentils: red, yellow, green, black and many more. You never run out of options. Number 7. Split peas. Split peas are another great source of fiber. 1 cup of cooked split peas gives you 16 grams of fiber. Wonderful, isn't it? But what exactly are split peas? They're made from dried, split and peeled seeds of peas. You can roast them and eat them as a crunchy snack, or prepare split pea soup. Sip it hot on a cold winter eating. Number 8. Quinoa. Some people call quinoa a pseudo cereal, but whatever name you give it, there's no doubt quinoa is great for your body, especially your digestive system. All thanks to the generous amount of fiber found in them. You get 5 grams of fiber from 1 cup of cooked quinoa. Besides fiber, you'll also get nutrients like magnesium, protein, potassium, zinc and iron. Quinoa is also a storehouse of pretty powerful antioxidants. The next time you're craving a healthy snack, eat quinoa porridge. Make it extra nutritious by adding veggies like broccoli and tomatoes. Number 9. Beetroot. Beetroots are a great addition to your salads and soups. This red-colored root veggie isn't just for adding color to your food. It also gives you fiber and nutrients like copper, iron, manganese, potassium and folate. 1 cup of raw beets gives you 4 grams of fiber. This fibrous veggie is loaded with inorganic nitrates, which provide a number of health benefits. Try Dijon lemon beet rod salad. Trust me, you'll become a fan. I promise. Before we move ahead, here's another video you might like. Watch this ultimate guide to every vitamin your body needs to thrive. Number 10. Chickpeas. Another pick that's nutritious and fiber-loaded, so much so. Just 1 cup of cooked chickpeas gives you 12 grams of dietary fiber. That's quite generous. Chickpeas are also an excellent source of plant-based protein. Besides this, you'll be getting manganese, copper, iron fully, and phosphorus. What's not to love about chickpeas? As if their awesome nutrition profile wasn't enough, this legume can be eaten in so many ways. You can try roasted spiced chickpeas, or how about chickpea curry? You can also make one of the easiest forms of spread with chickpeas as a base. Dip some nachos in chickpea-based hummus, and enjoy a snack. My favorite way to eat them is by preparing a salad from boiled chickpeas and diced veggies like tomatoes and cucumber. Add finely chopped onions as well. Sprinkle black salt and pepper. Do not forget to squeeze half a lemon for that extra thing. Number 11. Oats. In the mood for a fiber-rich breakfast, oatmeal is nutritious. Light on your stomach and loaded with fiber. You'll get almost 17 grams of dietary fiber from 1 cup alone, but that's not all. Oats are one of the most nutritious grain foods on the planet. You get a very high amount of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals from this grain. Fiber found in oats is especially good because it's a powerful soluble fiber. It has a positive impact on your blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Number 12. Chia seeds. Seeds have gotten very popular lately. This is all thanks to their interesting flavor, unique texture and wonderful nutrition profile. They've become the top choice for people trying to lose weight. But why is that? What makes chia seeds so good for people on a diet? The answer lies in the fiber. Of course, chia seeds keep you full longer and prevent overeating, all thanks to the fiber present in them. To be precise, 1 ounce of dried chia seeds gives you 10 grams of fiber. This is so good that chia seeds can easily be called the single best source of fiber on the planet. Number 13. Almonds. Almonds are nutritious. We all know this. They're also great for being a plant-based milk substitute. It's the fiber content that might surprise you. They are small in size, but a powerhouse of nutrition and fiber. 100 grams of raw almonds gives you 13 grams of fiber. You will also get healthy fats, magnesium, vitamin E and manganese. They are great as a snack. When you're on a weight loss diet, just be sure to exercise. Portion control. Calories can add up pretty quickly. Number 14. Popcorn. Popcorn really on a list of healthy foods? Yes, popcorn is one of the best snacks to eat when you want to increase your fiber intake. But we're talking about the air-popped kinds. If you're watching your calorie intake, do not add butter. You get 15 grams of fiber from 100 grams of air-popped popcorn. Just make sure you aren't adding a lot of fat, or else the fiber to calorie ratio will decrease by a lot. Number 15. Dark chocolate. Who doesn't love chocolate? You now have all the more reasons to eat it. It has fiber. But make sure you're buying dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa, 95% or higher is even better. The darker the chocolate, the greater the health benefits. Just 1 ounce of 70% to 85% cocoa will give you 3 grams of fiber. To be more precise, you'll get 11 grams of fiber per 100 grams of dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is also rich in antioxidants and helps with lifting your mood. Avoid dark chocolate loaded with sugar and practice portion control. It's good for your brain too, thanks to the nutrients and antioxidants it contains. Number 16, sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are delicious, filling and healthy. You'll get lots of vitamins, antioxidants and minerals like manganese. They'll even make for delicious bread substitutes. But that's not all. Sweet potato offers you a generous amount of fiber. A medium-sized boiled sweet potato will give you 4 grams of fiber. How about you switch mashed potatoes with mashed sweet potatoes? Fiber-rich foods are great, but what about nutrient-dense foods? Are there foods that feature both on the lists? I hear you, there has to be healthy breads offering a good amount of fiber and nutrients. Here's how to get them all. Watch 5 of the most nutrient-dense foods on the links below. You can also try the 12 best foods should add into your breakfast. 8 anti-inflammatory foods. Benefits of pomegranate juice. 10 impressive health benefits of apples. And 5 ways improve fat absorption in the body. Go ahead and click 1. Better yet, watch all. Do you eat any of these 16 high-fiber foods? Let us know in the comments below.
When there